Hey, this is Reggie with Vista Social. This video is going to be focused on troubleshooting your Facebook connection. Whether you've tried to connect your Facebook page or Facebook group and they're not showing up on the list of profiles to pick from within Vista Social, or you've noticed that they've been disconnecting time and time again, your post might be failing for some weird issues. Let's go ahead and dive into the computer. I'm going to show you. Ultimately, there are two main reasons why this may occur, or rather two most common reasons. And the first one is that you may not be an admin of that Facebook page. And so what we'll do is let's navigate over to that Facebook page that I've been trying to connect, and we're going to go over to settings, and we're going to go over to the new page experience. And under page access, you want to make sure that you see your face, your personal profile right there. You need to be under the people with Facebook access. Now, please make sure that you're listed there. If you're not, and you do have access to be able to do that, meaning you're able to talk to the page owner, they'll be able to give you that admin access, make sure you do that. Now, if this is not a possibility for you, you're not able to have somebody add you as an admin of the page, there is another opportunity there. So in Vista Social, you can actually invite this user, or rather the client or whoever owns the page, as a team member. You can give them access to that profile group with the permissions to be able to manage the profiles, and they'll be able to go ahead and connect those for you instead. So in this case, for me, I've looked here and I actually am an admin of the page, so this can't be the issue, right? So what's kind of the second most common thing? Well, the second most common thing is that the permissions itself were not set up properly. When we talk about these permissions, right, when we head over to Facebook, we're connecting the Facebook page or Facebook group, it's likely that the permissions themselves weren't accepted properly. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head over back to our personal profiles. We're gonna go back to settings and privacy and settings. You wanna go over to the security and login area under business integrations. So here we have the Vista Social app. If you click on view and edit, we can actually see that not all the permissions were accepted. We have a lot of unchecked boxes here. And it's very, very important that when you're going through the original connection or connection of the Facebook page, really any profile type within Vista Social, that you are accepting all the permissions, checking off all the boxes, and really leaving things as is. If you have questions or concerns about a specific permission, feel free to reach out to our support team. We can give you some clarity. Within Vista Social, even when you give us full access to all the profiles, groups, and pages, as is the workflow for Facebook, we still give you the opportunity at the end to determine which one actually gets added to Vista Social. And this can create issues if you don't do it this way, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove, and this is gonna give us the ability to start fresh with our connection between Facebook and Vista Social. Very important, before you move on, please don't click anything before you hear me out right here. Don't click this button up here at the top, delete posts and videos. What will happen if you check this off is any post that you've created in the past within Vista Social to your Facebook page will get removed, and it is permanent. So please make sure you're not clicking that. Make sure you pay attention there on this page. We're gonna click on the blue remove button on the bottom. And once we do that, we can go back into Vista Social and retry the connection, right? So we'll go over to quick add social profile. We'll select the Daily Planet profile group, click on Facebook. And here's really where it gets important again, right? Making sure that we're selecting all. And at every step, we are not modifying the permissions, right? We're not changing things. Again, if you have questions on any of these, our support team, we're here to help, to answer questions. Any one of these that gets checked off could impede our ability to post, to gather analytics on your behalf, or perform actions like responding to comments, right? So we'll go ahead and click done. And in this case, when I go back to Vista Social, this profile should now show up. So if I scroll down here, I see the Daily Planet Facebook page is right there. So I'll go ahead and connect that, and we should be good to go at this point. We've been able to connect the Facebook page. The permissions are all approved and ready to go. And we've confirmed that I'm an admin on this Facebook page as well. So you should be all set. If you still run into issues, if you're still having problems with your Facebook, reach out to our support team. We're here to help.